Start from here and open up all the way to the side and breathe into it. Nice stretch. Nice, and pulling your arm down gently. So you could hold dumbbells instead when I'm not here. Fingers up, elbow pit up, and just pivot around the shoulder. Should feel a nice stretch, bicep, forearm, and even in your palm. So calf. Butt is off and finding the tender spot. You hold this position 45 seconds. Okay, this is for the lats. Right under the armpit, where the lats is, where the back muscle. So this is the shoulder stretch for your left arm. It's right across, and you're trying to reach out with your right leg, right arm. This is for your glutes. You're rolling them for 1 minute. Support with one arm, one leg up on your knee. So this one is for hip flexor. It's exactly on your elbows, you're tucking your tummy. So start with the head and neck, then you round in your upper back, then you round your mid back, then you round lower back, and then you go all the way down. That's it. Nice, stay there.